In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to your Wix website. If you've been wanting your site to feel more on-brand with a unique typeface, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to add your own font files to Wix and start using them across your design. You don't need any coding knowledge, just a font file you're allowed to use and a few clicks in the editor. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Once you're in the workspace, look for Site Styles. This is the central place where you control the look and feel of your site, including colors and, most importantly for today, your typography. Click Site Styles to open its panel. Inside the Site Styles panel, go to Typography. This is where your heading styles, paragraph text, and other text elements are managed. You'll see the fonts currently assigned to things like Heading 1, Heading 2, and your body text. Choose any of these text styles to change its font. Click the font name to open the drop-down. This reveals all the fonts available in your site right now. In that font selector, look for the option that says Upload Font. Click it. This opens a prompt where you can add your own font file from your computer. Wix supports common font formats, so a TTF or OTF file is perfect. Make sure you have the right to use the font on your website, and if your typeface comes with multiple styles, like regular, bold, or italic, you can upload each weight as its own file so they're all available in your design system. Select your TTF or OTF file and confirm the upload. Wix will process the file and add it to your site's font list. After the upload completes, your custom font will appear alongside the other fonts in the dropdown. Choose it for the text style you're editing, and you'll see the preview update right away in the editor. From here, you can apply that same font to other headings and paragraph styles to keep your branding consistent throughout your site. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your font files organized and clearly named, so you can easily tell which weight or style you're selecting. If you don't see the font right away in the list, give it a moment to finish processing or reopen the dropdown. And remember, consistent typography across headings and body text helps readability and creates a polished user experience. That's all there is to it. With your custom font uploaded, you can use it anywhere in Wix, on pages, in sections, and across your global text styles to make your site truly your own.